Hello. Teacher.
And hi. So I had power outage here in our area. So as you can see here, I'm using my phone. Yes, to give lights on my face. If I'm going to off my lights like that, very dark, right? Yes. Okay, so how are you today?
Happy.
Oh, what makes you happy today?
I don't know. I
You
don't know,
don't
but I'm
know?
happy.
Okay, why? Why you doesn't know? Why, Ben?
What?
Why
You
you
say what?
doesn't know? Why are you happy today? Have you received some present? Have you received some present,
No.
Ben? Hello, Ben. Hello, Ben. Hello, Ben.
Are you?
Yes. Have you received some present?
Yes.
Oh, really? Oh, what's that? What kind of present is that? Have you received toys, money, clothes, food, hug, kiss with your parents? What? Hello, Ben. Are you listening to me now? Hel-
Listen.
Oh, what's that? Ah, wow. What do you call that? What do you call that? It's
Look, this is Vietnamese.
oh. You have the
Vietnam.
same face.
This is Vietnam.
You have the same face.
This is Vietnam.
What do you call that? It's keychain. Can you say that?
Kitchen.
Keychain.
Kitchen.
No, not kitchen, okay?
Kitchen.
What?
Kitchen.
Kitchen? Are you
No.
sure? What?
Kitchen.
It's
Kitchen.
K. Hello.
Give me my pen.
Okay.
Oh,
Please write.
okay.
Okay.
We done this. Now.
We
We
already
are
done
done
this.
this.
Yeah, I know that. That is, can you please read?
Kitchen.
K.
Kitchen.
Chain.
Kitchen.
Yes, okay. So let's proceed now to the next page. Okay, what is your dinner tonight, Ben? What is your dinner?
Rice.
Rice and what?
Banana. And
Ban
chicken.
really?
Yes,
Okay.
chicken.
Why is
Banana.
it you always eat banana?
Because I like banana.
Why do you like to eat banana?
Because I like banana.
Because you like banana.
Banana.
Yeah, wow.
Banana. Chicken.
Okay. So
Banana.
what can you see in the picture?
Picture.
Yeah, what can you see in
I
the
see.
picture? I see a
And
robot, right?
yes, I see a
Yeah,
robot. Robot.
very good. Oh, how can you describe the body of the robot? How can you describe it? How about
This
how
is
about the head of the robot? How about the hands of the robot? How about the body of the robot? And how about the legs of the robot? The head is the computer, right? Right? The head, right? The face is the computer. How about the neck? It's the keyboard, right? Right? Okay, the neck or the mouth. Okay. The mouth is the keyboard, right? How about the hands?
stop.
Socks. Okay. How about the body?
It's clock.
Clock. How about the legs? The legs. What's that? Kites, right?
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay, so mhm. Look at Sam's robot. Choose and write
Clock.
word on the lines. Okay, so who is this man here? Who is
Table. Table is what? Right.
who? Yes. Who is
Table
this
is
man?
what?
Who is this man?
I don't know.
It's Sam.
It's
Sam is the owner of this robot, okay? He is the owner of that robot. Okay, I want you to read all the words inside the box. Can you please read?
clock.
Okay, computer.
Computer, clock, cable, kite, sock.
Very good. Okay, have you had that things? Have you got the
Writing, okay?
things? Have you got that things?
Yes.
Oh, really? Do you have computer?
Yes.
Do you have computer?
Here.
Oh, wow. How about clock? Do you have clock in your house?
Clock.
Do you have clock in your house?
I have.
Oh, can you say, yes, I have.
Yes, I have.
How about keyboard? Are you using keyboard
I have.
today?
Mhm.
Oh, how about kites? Have you played
I have
kites?
anything.
Oh, wow. Okay, number one. What is the answer for number one? It's computer, right? For number one, the computer is the robot face, right? Ben?
Yes.
Yes. How about number two? The blank is the robot's mouth. It's the,
I have many methods.
yes, keyboard. Very good. How about number three? The blank is the robot's body. What's that? Okay, clock. How about number four? The blank are the robot's arms. Arms. It's the, yes? What is the robot's hands? Arms, brother? It's the, okay, socks. Okay, last number is the blank or the robot's legs. What is that? Robot's legs. What do you think? What is your answer? Heights. Very good. So let's check your answer here. Are you ready now? Are you ready? Okay, so if you are ready, can you say or can you clap 3 times and say, I'm ready?
E.
Okay, very good. So, I'm going to view all the answers here. Okay, very good. So, all your answers here are correct. Okay, number 1 is bonus. 3 is check. 4 and 5. So, you got how many?
5 over
5
5.
over 5. Very good. Okay, can you please do the hooray clap now? Hooray clap.
1, 2, 3.
Hooray, hooray. Okay, please do it again.
No.
Do it again.
No.
No, I want you to do it again.
Okay, I can do it again.
Okay, please do. What's that? Hello, Ben. Okay, Ben, where are you now?
I'm here.
Okay, please open your camera so that I can see you there.
Okay.
Okay, so let's proceed now to the next page. Okay, what body parts of the robot are missing? What body parts of the robot are missing? Is the robot have a eyes? Ears?
No.
No. Okay, can you please draw?
Mouth.
Can you please draw?
I can draw.
Eyes, ears, and nose. The robot has not eyes, ears, and nose. Can you please draw? Okay. Your turn to draw. Oh my god. That's very big eye. How about the nose?
I can have one minute.
Yeah, you can. Oh, what's that?
It's my class.
Okay, where are you?
You see us?
Yes. Okay, can you please draw now? Please draw. Please draw. Yes, Ben? Oh, what a nice drawing. Oh. Oh, what's that? Is that a hair?
Yeah.
Is that the hair of the robot?
Yeah.
Or it's a cap? Is the robot have a hair? No, the robot has no hair. Right? Only the people has a hair. Right? Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, can you make a robot with other things? Draw it at home. Okay, can you please draw a robot with other things and draw it at home? Okay, and you pass that one. Yes, and you pass that one in our next meeting. This is your homework, okay? Don't forget to make this homework. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Oh, look at here now. So, can you please read the instruction? Can you please read the instruction here?
Look and put five wolf to computer. Oh, I sorry.
Okay, please read.
Look and the picture.
Look at the
Five wolf of
picture.
computer
Find
setting.
words to complete sentences. Okay, but before that, what can you see in the picture? Oh, what is the boy doing on the tree?
Oh no!
He is sitting on the tree, right? Okay. So what do you think are they now? What do you think are they now? They are in the farm, right? Right?
That is also
Okay. So what are they doing in the picture? Listen, Ben. What are they doing in the picture? I'm asking you, what are they doing in the picture?
He is playing.
Are you sure? Are they playing?
Yeah.
They are taking picture with their family, right? Yes.
Mhm.
Oh, what animal is this?
But I don't see father.
Huh? What?
I don't see father.
Father?
Yes.
Oh, there is no father here. I think
Oh,
this is...
I see. Give me a pen. I see father.
Okay.
Give me.
Where is the father? Oh, that is the cameraman.
No, I see this is the father.
Ah, okay, why? Because the boy is having a bird, right?
No.
Why? Why is it, yes? Oh, what's that? Because they have the same face?
Yeah.
Okay. So, who is this?
Grandmother and father.
Very good.
Grandmother.
Grandmother and grandfather.
Oh,
Very
teacher,
good.
look.
Oh, yes. Okay. That is forehead, okay? Where is your
Okay.
forehead? Where is your forehead? Can you please touch your forehead now? Forehead. Do you know where is your forehead?
No.
This is your forehead, okay? In Philippines, we call it agtang.
Tongue.
Okay, in English, forehead.
Oh,
But
all tongue.
yes, agtang. But here in the Philippines, in Mindanao, we call it agtang.
At Vietnamese, we say chan,
Tang, tang,
chan,
tang,
chan.
tang. Oh, where is your tongue?
Yeah.
That is forehead, okay? The English of this is forehead. What is this?
And it Vietnamese is chan.
What?
And it Vietnamese is chan.
What do you call in Vietnamese about the head? What do you call by the head?
The head is
In
no,
Vietnamese, lao?
no, no.
Oh my God, my lao is so very broken. I feel so hurt in my lao now. Oh, but here in the Philippines, lay lay, lao lao, lay lay. Okay, shall we proceed now? Are you ready now to answer?
Ready.
Okay, so can you please read the text first? The family are smiling, but they aren't sitting on chairs. The boys, oh, where is the boys from the tree? Can you see the, oh, the boys,
The
what?
boy.
What is the boy doing here? He is waving, right?
Um.
Okay, so you only choose the words here, okay?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So, what is your answer? What is the boy doing? He
I can
is?
draw it.
Please
can
write your
draw it.
answer.
I can draw it.
Please write.
But I can draw it.
What is your answer for number
I
one?
can draw it.
No, not drawing, writing.
I can write it.
I can write.
Mhm.
Can you say that? I can write.
I can write.
Okay. Please write the word. What is the boy doing? He is?
But I can write it.
Yeah, can you say the word? He is waving, right?
Yeah.
Okay, where is your answer? I can see it. Please
I say
write
I
for
can
number
draw.
one. Please write. Please write.
Okay, I write it.
I'm telling you to write, please. Use the pen.
Let's eat the pen.
That is lines. Use the pen now.
Wait, wait, wait.
Waving. Please write the word waving. Waving. Okay, write it again. Waving. Can you see the word waving here?
Yeah.
This is waving, right? Okay, please write the word waving. That's very simple, Ben. Please write now, please. Please write. Where is your answer?
I
Please write your answer so that we can proceed. Okay, how about number two? Okay, the boy's waving from the tree. Can you see the blank under his sister? Oh, under his sister. What is this? It's a, what is this, Ben? This is a, can you please talk, Ben? So that I will know. What is this? Please tell me, what is this? What is this? Can you say a ball?
A ball.
Okay. How about number 3? The old man and woman are sitting on the two. What? What do you call this? This is? Uh-huh. Are you sure? Is that the correct spelling? Are you sure? Okay, make sure that your spelling are correct.
Convidere.
Convera.
Uh-huh. Is that the correct spelling? Check your spelling there. Please check your spelling. Boxes. The last letter is S, not X. Okay, very good. How about number 4? The baby's got a flower in her what? In her? What is this?
In a hand. Hand.
Okay, sorry for that. Oh, what is your answer for number 4? The baby's got a flower in her
Hand.
hand. Okay, very good. In her hand. And she and her mom are sitting on a big
Walk.
frog. Okay.
I say.
Yeah, because you're a good student. Because you are the what? The genius one in Vietnam. Do you want that? You are the most genius in Vietnam. Okay, number 6. The cat's on the shoe. Can you see it brown?
The cat is on the shoot. You can see it black.
Oh,
Brown.
do you think?
Tree.
Uh-huh. Oh, what's that? The cat's on the shoe. Can you see it brown?
How?
Yes,
Oh.
tail. Okay, please write.
Done.
Are you done?
Yes, I don't know.
Oh, but I can see it. Why?
I don't know.
Where is it? Can you please write now, Ben? Baby boy. Okay, very good. So, I'm going to show you all the
I'm not
correct.
baby boy.
You're not baby boy anymore? You're not baby boy anymore?
I am student.
Ah, you're a student. Very good. Because you are studying, you are learning, right? Yes. Can you please smile to teacher? I miss being Ben.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. Okay. So all your answers here are correct. Okay? Very good, Ben. Clap your hands. You did a great job today. You got 6/6 in this activity. Are you happy with that? Are you happy that you can identify now the picture?
Yes.
Yes. Wow. Very good. Okay. Don't mind about my background. Okay. Because we had power outage here. So we don't have light. We only use generator. Okay. Oh, that was the ending of our lesson. So let's proceed now to the next lesson. Are you ready now? Are you ready?
Pajero.
What?
Pajero.
Kangaroo?
Pajero.
Kangaroo?
No.
What? Do you like to learn kangaroo?
No.
Kangaroo? Hello?
Okay.
Ah, Ben! Oh, what's that? Hello, Ben.
Look,
Okay,
my name. I am L.
Al. Hi, Al.
Okay.
Hi.
Yeah, it
Okay, so
is.
what did you do today, Al? What
Oh,
did you do
I have
aside from you are studying today?
no.
What did you do today? Are you playing with your friends? Go to shopping?
Mm,
Having fun with your family? What?
No.
Jumping on the tree?
No.
What? Do you want to fly? Do you want to fly? Hello, Ben. Okay, I'm going to tell you the words here in the Philippines like um cute ko. Cute ko. Can you say that? Cute ko. Hello, Ben. Are you listening to me now? Are you listening to me, baby Ben? Baby. Hello.
Mommy, 1 minute.
Okay, what are you doing there? What are you doing? What's that?
My name is Teacher Lin.
Oh, do you want to be a teacher someday? Do you want to be a teacher someday? Oh, really? Do you want to teach
Yes.
people? Do
Yes.
you want to share your knowledge to your children, to your
Yes.
pupils, students, like me? Like me? Hello, Ben. Ben? Ben? Hello, Teacher Lynn. Hello, Teacher Lynn. Hello, Teacher Lynn. Ben, hello. Hello, Teacher
Hello.
Lynn. Are you
Oh,
okay
I'm
there, Teacher
sorry.
Lynn? Are you okay?
Okay. So I
Okay,
want to.
okay. Can you please teach me, Teacher Lynn, how to read this sentence
I'm
here?
a teacher.
Teacher Lynn, hello. Okay. Can you please sit properly now, Teacher Lynn?
You need it
Okay, Unit 8.
in a ghost computer.
Oh, no, that is not computer, okay? Cupboard.
Cupboard.
Okay, what do you mean by cupboard, Teacher Lynn? Teacher Lynn, please explain me what is cupboard.
I don't know.
Oh, okay. Oh my God, Teacher Lynn. Stop that one, Teacher Lynn.
I
Okay.
say I'm a teacher.
Okay. Teacher Lynn, what do you mean by cupboard? It means cabinet, okay? Do
No.
you know what is cabinet?
No?
Do you know that?
Oh no, I know how
Okay,
teacher
something
read. I
that
am 10.
can put all your
I am
clothes.
10.
Hello? Listen to me now. Okay. Something that you can put all your clothes inside the cupboard. Okay, do you have your own cupboard? Do you have your own cupboard, Teacher Lynn?
I want to grab 5
Uh,
minutes.
oh, what's that? Do you have your own cupboard? Okay, I'm going to show you what is cupboard.
I want have take 10 minutes, okay?
No, don't do that. Because
Please?
I think it's already time.
No.
Oh,
No.
what did you do there?
No.
Why
I
I need to wait 10 minutes? Why?
because I want to have a poop.
Oh my God. Thank you so much. The current is here now. You want to poop? Oh my God. Okay. Please bring me your CR now. You can bring me your CR. Hello?
I done. Teacher, I done. Teacher, can you hear me? are
Bye. Oh, are you done?
yes.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Look, ma'am.
All right. What do you mean by cupboard, Teacher Lynn?
I don't know. I in Tay.
Your te. Okay, te. What is cupboard? Do you
Oh,
know
I
what?
have one more time. Have a poop.
No. Hello, Ben.